Your campaign quietly crosses its goal at 2 in the morning. By the time anyone notices, days have passed. The moment to celebrate and ride that momentum gone. Let's fix that. Here's the plan. The instant a campaign hits its goal, post it to your team and celebrate together. In Charitable, open the automation menu, add a webhook, and pick the Slack template. Give it a clear name. Choose the event campaign goal reached so it fires the moment your goal is met. Then paste your Slack webhook URL as the delivery URL. Save, then open Test and Debug and send a real request to confirm a green success. In Slack, create an incoming webhook for your Milestones channel. That's the URL you pasted. Now, the moment a campaign hits its goal, the whole team sees it, with the campaign and the amount raised. One thing worth knowing, Charitable already emails your admin when a campaign ends and tells you if it hit its goal. Automation Connect takes that further, celebrating the instant it happens, wherever your team already is. Momentum is everything in fundraising. Celebrate the win the moment it lands and turn it into more support. Using Automation Connect and have an idea for us? Reach our team anytime at wpcharitable.com. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.